Today we're gonna make almond flour together. I'm going to show you the method using my blender. Is super simple, really easy. And I'm also gonna give you the tips and tricks to make sure that you don't have any leftover almond chunks. First thing you wanna do is place your almonds inside of your blender. Then you're gonna put your lid and turn it on high. You're gonna give or take blend for about a minute, and you're gonna see that it becomes smaller chunks and then powdery consistency. When you see that the almond flour stops moving around, that's when you want to stop your blender. You don't want to turn this into almond butter. So at this point, I'm going to check for consistency. So as you can see, coming out of the blender is already very powdery and very consistent. And the key to really fine almond flour is not only your blender, make sure that you sift it. Now I sift the almond flour two ways. One, if you have a powder sugar sifter, you can use that. Or you can use a fine mesh strainer and place it over a bowl and put your almond flour. What you're left with at the top are finer chunks of almond flour, and you can reprocess those unless your recipe is pretty lenient and you don't mind that. As you can see, the process of making almond flour is really simple. I'll make sure to link the blender and other tips below for you in this video. Now, if your almonds still look like this and have their skin on, make sure to watch this next video, because in order to make almond flour, you're going to need to blanch them. See you guys next time.